Hello, Incredible One. I'm Darnell Jervy.
And I'm Linda Dillard.
And together, we're Incredible Power. And we are so excited to invite you to our next event on Saturday, November the 7th at 9 a.m. at the Christiana Hilton in Newark, Delaware. We are presenting you with Handle Your Business with Incredible Power. Now, people have been asking us, what does business have to do with relationships? And more importantly, what does your brand have to do with relationships? Well, we are here to tell you that there is a direct correlation between how you position yourself and how it affects your relationships. And if you want to get the real deal and find out how to ensure that you are living with incredible power by offering power, position, optimism, wealth, expectation, and resilience in your relationships, and getting rid of those people who are not adding value to your life, then you need to meet us on November the 7th. My girl Linda here, I'm so excited, you guys. She just wrote this fabulous new book. She's going to tell you a little bit about it. But with her CEO concept, we are going to transform your life. If you are not running a multi-million-dollar company right now, you will be when we're finished with you. Tell them all about it, Linda.
Well, thank you, Darnell. The name of the book is called The CEO in You, From the Boardroom to the Bedroom. Many of you have had questions and concerns about your relationships, and more importantly, how to project and to share with your partner what it is that you really, really want. The CEO concept is simply about your company. And what is your company? Your company is this right here. It is your mind, it is your body, and it is your spirit. And it is your responsibility to make sure that you are running your company appropriately. By coming out to this event on November the 7th, you will learn just how to do that. We're talking about handling your business with incredible power. You will learn how to brand yourself in your relationships, which will teach you how to communicate more effectively what you want and what you need. So please don't miss this event. You do want to be there. And please, if you have a partner, bring your partner with you.
Absolutely. And we're excited. You can get more information by logging on to www.incredible1enterprises.com. There will be an icon there for you to click on. It's actually our Incredible Power logo. We invite you to click on it, and when you go to register and check out for your ticket purchase, if you put in the word power at checkout, you will save $15. So there's absolutely no reason why you cannot join us on November the 7th and learn how to handle your business with incredible power. We'll see you there. Take care.